Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Mastering Tech Skills. In today's video, we are going to understand one of the most powerful tools in the world of automation testing, Selenium. So here we will cover what is Selenium, its features, benefits, limitations, uses, components, and the most asked interview questions around this topic. So make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. So the first, what is Selenium? Okay, Selenium is a free and open source tool used for automating web applications. It allows testers to write scripts in different programming languages like Java, Python, C, and more to test how websites behave. Think of it like this. Instead of manually clicking and typing in your browser to test something, Selenium does it for you. So here you can see this image is from Selenium official documentation. It has given an example to run basic Selenium code in all the different languages. For example, by running this Java code, it will automatically open up the browser and perform operations as mentioned in the script. I hope you understand. So move to the next topic. Key features of Selenium. Here are some amazing features of Selenium. Selenium is open source and free to use. It supports all major browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge. Selenium supports multiple programming languages like Java, Python, C#, Ruby. As we have seen earlier, we can do parallel testing and cross-browser testing. Used for faster execution, you can automate both simple and complex web UI interactions. Selenium can be integrated with tools like TestNG, Maven, Jenkins, Docker. We will see each tool in detail in the upcoming video, so make sure you have subscribed to our channel and press the bell icon for future updates. So let's continue. Now, benefits of Selenium. Why is Selenium so popular among testers? It is 100% free, works around multiple platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, easy to integrate with CI/CD tools. We will also see this in detail with practical in upcoming videos. Large community and support. It provides faster execution when combined with greater cloud services. Limitations of Selenium. But nothing is perfect, right? Here are some limitations. It supports web applications, not desktop or mobile apps directly. It has no built-in reporting, so for clear and better report, we need to integrate with the third-party tools like TestNG and extend reports. Needs programming knowledge to write scripts. Handling dynamic elements and captcha can be tricky. Selenium helps you write and run test scripts, but for full test management like structure, execution flow, and reporting, we need help from external tools like TestNG, Extend Reports, Jenkins. So these are the limitations of Selenium. Move forward. Where is Selenium used? So Selenium is used in many areas like regression testing, functional testing of web apps, cross-browser testing like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, automating repetitive web tasks, integration testing with frameworks. Selenium integrated with TestNG or JUnit to run test cases, manage test execution, and generate test reports. This helps automate end-to-end testing smoothly in the real-world projects. Now, another important topic, that is components of Selenium. Selenium is not just one tool, it is a suite of tools. Here are its four main components. The first one is Selenium IDE. It is a record and playback tool. This is the official website of Selenium. Here you can see that it is clearly saying that Selenium IDE is a browser extension that records and playbacks the user actions. Next one is Selenium WebDriver. It allows writing code to automate browsers, support multiple languages to write code. You can see this in official Selenium website. A same piece of code is written in multiple programming languages, which means Selenium script can be written in any programming languages. It supports multiple languages to write code. Next, Selenium Grid. It is used for running tests in parallel across multiple machines and browsers. Great for speeding up test execution. The next one is Selenium RC. It is the older version, now outdated, replaced by Selenium WebDriver. Now let's check out some interview questions from the topic we've just learned. We will see what the interviewer might ask and how we can answer them clearly. Let's take a look. The first question, what is Selenium? Selenium is a free and open source tool used for automating web applications. It allows testers to write scripts in different programming languages like Java, Python, C# and more to test how websites behave. It simulates a real user interacting with the website. Next question, why do we use Selenium? Selenium helps reduce the time and effort involved in manual testing, especially for repetitive tasks that are time consuming and prone to human error. To run tests faster, more accurately, we use Selenium. It supports cross-browser testing, helps in continuous testing in CI/CD pipelines. What are the different components of Selenium? So we have seen it's Selenium IDE, record and playback tool, WebDriver code-based automation for browsers, Selenium Grid that run tests on different machine browser in parallel, and RC, which has been replaced by WebDriver. The next one is what is the latest version of Selenium you have worked with. So here example, you can say like this, I have worked with Selenium 4.0, which includes feature like relative locators and improved it. So whatever version you have worked on, just explain them. So next one, what is Selenium Grid and how does it work? Selenium Grid is used to run your test on multiple machines and browsers at the same time. It helps in parallel testing, saving you a lot of time. And how it works? You set up a hub, then you connect multiple nodes. The hub sends your test cases to the right node based on the browser or OS you need. This lets you test across different devices, browser, and system all at once. Next question, can Selenium be used for performance testing? So the answer is, it's not ideal for performance testing. Selenium is designed for functional testing like checking if a button works or if a form submits. For performance testing like speed, load, stress, we have tools like JMeter, Load Runner are better suited. However, Selenium can help simulate multiple users in very basic load testing, but it's not reliable for real performance analysis. And that's a complete overview of Selenium for beginners. We have covered what it is, how it works, its benefits, limitations, and also cracked some key interview questions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want a separate video on Selenium WebDriver hands-on demo, comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.